Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And this is Burgh unboxing. It's not in a box, it's in a bag. And of course, I always examine these to make sure they're legitimate and not prank gifts and not troll gifts. So here it is. This is a charger for something I have to buy. And the next video will show you what I bought because I have trouble remembering what charger and what brick and what power cable goes to what. And the item may or may not have come in. I had 3 items at the post office today, but I had to go get food and feed the cats, and it was getting really cold, so I'll go pick them up. But for those who want to know, this is a charger that I can't see. But I can't read small print anymore, and it's driving me crazy. Hold on. I got to call my eye doctor tomorrow and make an appointment for reading glasses. All right, this is a TF0-008-5 Able Grid input AC 100 240 volts 50/60 hertz output DC 7.5 volts. So this, when I get the device, you'll see the device, and it's intended because I have multiple devices that be plugged in via a USB port. So that's, and one of them did not come with a charger. So there's a little label here. I can't read what the label says. Oh, it's California's cancer warning. Everything creates cancer in California. They're more worried about cancer than running the state. All right, anyway, that's this one. So this will plug into the device I get when I get it. And when I get Kathy's present, I'll show you that too. So, all right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. My pizza's in the oven. And no smoke. I don't know what the hell I was cooking the other night that burned, but it sure put out a lot of smoke. Have a great night. It is 9:09 p.m. I don't know how cold it is, but I've got the front door open and it feels cold. Little girl is on the bed. Fluffy is washing himself. Little girl is washing herself. It's time to wash kitty. Washing kitty time here. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. There goes Fluffy. By me. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay warm and dry, I hope, and stay safe. And I will catch you next time. Bye bye for now.